Hi everyone. Um, I'm here with my first video of the year of 2021, and guess what it is? It's a haul video. Haven't been crafting much. I have crafted a little bit, but not too much. And I haven't been making videos. This is my first video of the year. Um, so I wanted to come on and share my Dollar Tree haul that I've, been collecting over a couple weeks now. And if you follow me on Instagram, um, you've already seen some of these items because I tried to share what I haven't seen other people share. So let's get started. So I bought these stamps that I absolutely stamps stickers from the Dollar Tree, and I had to share them because they are just different. They're vintage, just right up my alley, and I love it. Everything about it. So I bought this one of the globe, the compass. So cool. And then I found these books. Love how they look, and they're puffy, and they look like metal, which is it kind of reminds me of Tim Holtz in a way, you know. And then I found this, and this one's hard too, and to me it looks like stone. So I really love these stickers. They're cool. These look like Tim Holtz dies or Sizzix dies that I know I have. These are cool. I think this is a flask or a bottle. I should say just a bottle. I love this keychain. It's really cool. And then this one is like, these here to me remind me of Tim Holtz. His let me see if I have it. I don't know if I have his. Oh yeah, no, that's not it. No, it is. No, it isn't. Maybe it's right here. Here we go. Oops. This is one of the Tim Holtz metal pieces. I think it's a book plate or something. This is metal, and this is a little smaller than that, but it reminds me of it pretty much. How cool, huh? And I got 3 of those, so I love that. And I got some ribbon. I don't know why I keep buying ribbon, but I love the this red gingham, and I love the coffee. I love coffee. So I got those. I got some wooden items. I got the plank, and I found these wooden dominoes that I'm not gonna play dominoes, but these are really cool to add a chain to, or you can cover it with paper and add it, make it as a tag, because it's not super thick, but it's nice, sturdy, what do you call it, particle board. So I could use it for something, and I got tons to share. Then I bought, or I found these stickers, and I've never seen them before until a couple weeks ago, and I love it how it has pearls and rhinestones together, and I think I saw them in another color. I'm not sure which one. It might have been blue or green or purple. I'm not sure, but I got these two. I got these a couple weeks ago, and they are jewelry boxes, and I just love it how it's a heart shape. They came in purple, blue, and pink. I think there was another color. I think there was 4 different colors, but I just got 2 pink, a blue. Let me show you. This is the purple. It's a really deep. It's not pastel, but it's a nice color, like a I don't know, violet color. And then here is the blue. I think I have my camera too. Okay. So those are the items that I found at Dollar Tree. I mean, I found some other things that are not brand new to Dollar Tree, like these, and I got these. I didn't want to bore you with items that we've seen before. So yeah. So here's my little Dollar Tree haul for 2021. I had ambition to make Christmas cards this month, and I want to be ahead of the game for this year, but I haven't. Hopefully, I'll get my mojo back and start creating again. I'm in a slump. My mojo hasn't. Although I crafted a little bit last week, um, and then nothing. So I did a tag for Donna's that I will be sharing later on this month. Hopefully I'll be back on Friday to share my crafty dare, or even Saturday. So I'll be I'm going to push myself to create and come back and craft more. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week. Stay safe. We need to pray for our country and our citizens. So thanks everyone for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.